Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW iX xDrive60 in space silver metallic with the Castnea interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW iX xDrive60 in space silver metallic. This is the LCI. And I've just hit unlock. We see that kidney grille light up. We see the new headlight design, which looks awesome. So let me do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And it's just in the corner of our showroom here, so I'll do what I can with the space provided. But car looks awesome. New welcome light carpet. Got the tail lights animating. And space silver metallic, new color for the LCI. So now that we've done this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. So this is space silver metallic. We've seen this paint on X1 with M Sport, and it's a nice silver color. It's more silver than gray, and these colors were hugely popular right at the turn of the century. So in 2000, 2001, everybody was getting silver cars, and a lot of those classics, E36 and into E46 gen, a lot of them were silver. So this is kind of cool to see this color coming back, and it is nice. I think these colors show off the lines on our cars really well. Speaking of lines, we've got one that curves in to the front off the A-pillar, two sculpted arches in the center, BMW rondelle up front and center here. And of course we have the new kidney grille design that does illuminate. And on the kidney grille you can see that there's these vertical slats that run across, or vertical lines going through it, and they continue on into the headlights as well. And this is the new headlight design for the LCI. I think this design looks much bolder than the outgoing design and makes the front end of the car look much nicer. And I'm just going to press and hold panic for 1 second so we can get the full low beam system on through the pathway lighting, so you can really see all those intricate details in there, stacked LEDs, and it's all black in there as well, which looks really nice. And down here we've got that little split chin, part of BMW's new design language. And down here there are some active shutters to get into the airflow through the vehicle, and we also have some functional air ducts going into the wheel wells on each side as well. And there previously was a sport package bumper. That's now basically the regular design. This is the new M Sport design, and personally I think this iX front end looks so much better than the outgoing pre-LCI. So front end looks sweet. We come around to the side here, you'll see that we actually have the 23-inch Aero wheels, 1028i or individual in jet black, burnished. So we've got individual on this spoke here. We also have the red M Sport brake back there. It's kind of hard to see because spokes are so fat on here, but this wheel does look really nice. It's very BMW in design, if you ask me. And of course the size of the wheels will affect the range on the car, so just keep that in mind. And we have a black rocker panel which emits the welcome light carpet. It's just kind of hard to see in this lighting, but it is down there. And we have body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and the side camera here. Up top we have the glass roof, and if I step back for a moment you'll see that we actually have a new style door handle that's kind of iX specific. It's kind of like the 7 Series too, if you ask me. Touch comfort access at the front for lock. The rear, there's a little micro switch underneath you can press. And this is the iX Hofmeister kink with iX emblazoned onto that section. There's your rear 1028 23-inch rim with the red M Sport brake back there. So side profile design, great. We have a spoiler up at the top here, rear wiper arm on the back, and with M Sport Pro, these are smoked, they're not red. And I'm just going to go ahead and press unlock so you can see the tail light welcoming animation. So that is sweet, I love how that looks. And xDrive60 in the LCI replaces xDrive60, and we now advertise on this model a range of 547 kilometers, which is phenomenal. And with M Sport Pro, you have a redesigned rear diffuser. It's a little bit different than before. And since I'm back here, I've got the key. Let me just go ahead and kick my foot underneath. All right, so that can open up the hands-free way. We have a cargo cover here, another cargo cover up there, and down here we've got 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, quick release the seats from the back in a 60-40 split, so that's 60%, 40%. And we've got a little elastic band to hold something here, illumination inside. You can see part of that carbon fiber reinforced plastic chassis that we've got here. And down here, this is the accessory trunk liner rubber mat. If I lift this up, underneath you'll see that we have tire inflator kit plus. There's your tow hook, a little box with the wheel lock keys, and there's your level 1, level 2 flex charger with both the 110 and 240 volt heads. So you've got level 1 and level 2 charger that comes with this thing. And up top, button to close, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have that happen hands-free. Beautiful. So now that we've had an opportunity to look in there, let's push the 9 o'clock position on the charge port door that it's connected to the central locking system. We've got a little legend in here letting us know what this light does. Right now it's just white so we can see. That's level 1, level 2. This is level 3 DC fast charging. So we are going to end up getting the Tesla style plug once the iX3 arrives here, but until then we're still using the CCS combo. We have this button that unlocks just the charging cable without unlocking the whole car, and when you're done you can shut this door. Now if I go ahead and open the rear door here, you'll see that we've got a little bit of ambient light going on here. This is the Castanea interior, some ambient light coming from in here, window switch, door actuator, Harman Kardon sound system, big door pockets, and you can see more of that carbon fiber reinforced plastic tub in here. The seat was down, so you just have to muscle back up. And down here is the release levers to fold down the seats from the middle position, just like so. Again, 60-40 split. And the two outer headrests are fixed. The center headrest can flip up or down. Armrest in the center with some cup holders at the front here. And once this is down, you can find the string for the pass-through here as well. We also have this neat mechanism. You lift this up to get access to the lower anchors and tethers for child safety seats. And swiveling reading lights up at the top here, so you can direct where this light is supposed to point. And we also have swiveling coat hanger up here as well. So you can spin that around, you get a little coat hanger. It's kind of dark in here. And there's a hole in the seat. And just below that hole, you have a USB Type-C charging port, an accessory port where you can plug in a tablet holder, coat hanger, a little table. You got some pockets here, no transmission tunnel in the middle, and those are the rubber mats. You got some ambient light down there as well, and some vents. And on the back of the center console, you've got some vents. You've got two heated seat buttons there as well, so that is pretty cool. So now that we've had a chance to look in the back, let's shut the door. And we'll go to the front next, and that was the soft closing door. So let's open up the front passenger door here. So once I open this up, you'll see that we've got the ambient light strip on the door, Harman Kardon sound, unlock, lock, door actuator, seat adjustment, seating menu, memory seats, a place for the passenger to put their phone if they want to put it there, window switch, and some pockets down here. And once we look over here, you'll see that we have the nice Castnea interior, and I guess they've taken away the little olive leaf picture that showed that this was dyed with olive leaf extracts to be sustainable. Some vents here, and down here there's a button you can press that opens your illuminated glove box. And we have the curved display here with some nice stitching, and this curved display has iDrive 8.5. We've got some vents down here, four-way flashers, max front defrost, rear defrost, and again you can see this, so there's a big opening here. There's a place here to put a phone, and it's open at the bottom so you can plug it in if you wanted to. You have your glass push start button, you have the gear selector, glass iDrive controller, wireless charger, and 2 USB Type-C charging ports down here with your cup holders. And if I press this splits open to reveal a double-decker storage, one up top and a space at the bottom. So now that we've had a chance to look at all this, let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. And of course we're going to do a bit of soft closing here. Nice. All right, and if we approach from the driver's side door here, you're going to see that there's light in the door handle. And once we have this opened up, just like the other side, we've got the ambient light strip here, seating menu, memory seats, seat directional control, unlock, lock, door actuator, child safety, so that's going to make it so the doors can't open in the rear and the windows don't open in the rear. All 4 window controls. You have your side mirror controls here as well. And all 4 doors do have a mechanical emergency release. There's a tailgate release button that you can press to open and pull and hold to close while the key's inside. And here's another shot of the seats inside here. We've got the M Sport steering wheel, and this one of course has some cruise control functions here, radio and audio controls on that side, and we've got the M down here at 6 o'clock. And we do have the head-up display here as well. And I just wanted to show you up top here, this is the button you press to make this opaque or translucent, so you can see through it now, and then the electrons all line up so it becomes opaque. And we've got the interior camera up here. This car also has the stop and go active cruise control, so it mitigates speed and distance to car in front of you. And it has all the self-parking features, so automatic back park, front park, parallel park, pre-recorded parking path, and you can also use the My BMW app to use the remote control parking, so you're able to exit the vehicle and have the car move forwards or backwards while you're not inside of it. So it is a very cold day today. It actually is one of the coldest days so far this year. And this vehicle is 100% charged. It's showing a range of 448. We advertise in optimal conditions 547 kilometers range, so that is actually pretty sweet. And now, let me just get out of the car. Down here, you got some pedals, exterior lighting controls, and there's no hood release because the hood is actually not supposed to open. So if I take you to the front here, you can press this to open or close to get into the washer fluid. Regular washer fluid only, please, on this generation of BMW. And once I step back for a moment here, normally this is when I would open the hood, but the hood itself doesn't actually open. And with this LCI iX xDrive60, this is outputting 536 horsepower, 564 foot-pounds of torque. So more range, more power than the outgoing 50 model. And I think what they've done with the design is actually really nice. So how do you like the 2026 BMW iX xDrive60 in space silver metallic? I think it looks pretty sweet. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more final lap all the way around, and I want to try and get a couple longer range shots here. The car, I think it looked good pre-LCI, and I think the LCI changes has improved the look even further. And I like some of the additions they've made, and I think the battery tech has slightly improved as well. So yeah, if you're looking to get a BMW electrified sports activity vehicle, this is definitely a great choice. So let me know in the comments below how you like this spec. Alright everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW iX xDrive60 in space silver metallic with the Castanea interior and M Sport Pro package. So how do you like the new color, and how do you like the LCI changes? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.